Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to explore on how to transfer money from Binance to GCash. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Binance, click on the Get Started option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, transferring money from Binance to GCash, a mobile wallet service in the Philippines, can offer several benefits because number one, GCash provides a convenient and accessible platform for managing funds through a mobile app. Now, transferring money from Binance to GCash allows users to access their funds directly from their mobile devices, facilitating easy transactions and financial management on the go. Now, if you are located in the Philippines, obviously, you know that GCash offers the functionality to pay utility bills such as electricity, water, internet, and mobile phone bills. Obviously, by transferring money from Binance to GCash, users like you can use the cryptocurrency funds to settle these bills directly through the GCash app because GCash is widely accepted as a payment method at various merchants both online and offline across the Philippines. Now, from here, you need to go to the fiat and spot on your wallet option. Click on wallet. Now, once you are here, you would be able to see your balances or funds on your Binance account. And you need to have an option here that says transfer. Now, if you can't see the option for transfer, there are two things that you can do. Number one is you need to verify your Binance account. It should be verified completely for you to be able to access some of the featured tools. Otherwise, you can just go to the help center and tell them despite you verified your account, you can't find the transfer option because we need to transfer from the fiat spot into the cross margin. And after doing so, once you've completed the verification process, you need to go to the next section, which is once you have successfully transferred your funds to USD, okay? Now, at this point, make sure that you have enough fundings or balance to your account, which is going to be the USDT, because we need it later on when we choose to go and move forward. Now, just click on the sell option, not buy, all right, because we are going to sell our USDT to GCash. Now, from here, choose the currency, which is going to be the Philippine peso. Click on it. Right, and as you can see, there's going to be an option for the GCash. Of course, these are the affiliated banks in the Philippines, but for now, we're going to be using GCash. Now, once it's loaded, in the left side is the advertisers or the merchants. Now, it's up to you if you have already dealt some anyone here in the past. So, if you're comfortable, say for example, with Blue Ocean or Manifest. But these are the pricing offerings from 57.16, so there's a lot. So it's up to you whether you'll want the price or not. And the available / limit means these are only the current prices that they can accommodate the transfer from USDT to PHP. All right. So there are like 49,000. There's like 9,700. So you need to search what applies to your account or funding or balance or your situation. And these are the payment options that they have. Of course, if you prefer GCash or if you have any other options like Maya, bank transfers, SIM Philippines, Bank of the Philippines, and a lot more. So it's up to you. I leave the discretion to your. And then once you're final or you have already the decision to maybe choose Super Meal, you're happy with that, click on the Sell USDT. Now, once we click on the specific merchant, click on Joy and you will be required to log in using our Binance account. And after doing so, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Then, when you log into your GCash account, obviously you would be able to see that the transfer has been made. And if in any case you have problems transferring money to Binance to GCash, you might want to go for both support platforms and check with a live agent if they can help you out with that. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.